Hi everybody, I'm JT. Welcome to another video from me here at Campervan Journey. And in this video, I just want to show you how we've tried to improve the POPTOP insulation on our Hymer Mercedes campervan to make it more appropriate for camping in winter and cold weather conditions. So one of the other things that we wanted to achieve ahead of our trip away to the Alps was to ensure that we had better insulation in the POPTOP for sleeping. On our VW California, we had an external POPTOP cover, which was brilliant, worked very, very well. However, the difficulty with the Hymer is that we are over 3 meters tall, so having something that is easy to fit externally just wasn't an option because it's too tall. So Hymer actually offer an internal insulating package for the Free and for the Grand Canyon on the Mercedes chassis. So we've purchased the kit and we installed it a few weeks ago when the weather was a little bit warmer, but I just wanted to show you how the kit fits. So when we are up in the roof, you can see how the panels are configured, and effectively, if you imagine you're on the inside of a rectangle or a box, then we've got 4 sides to insulate, and the kit comes as exactly that, as 4 separate panels. As part of the kit, there are some magnet fixing points that we had to install at various points around the roof. That did involve drilling into the POPTOP itself, which was a little bit scary, but we seem to have managed to do so without causing any problems, any immediate problems. So you did have to trust that what you were being asked to do by the instructions was right. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a feel for how the installation works. It's taken me just under 10 minutes to put all the panels in, but now that we've got the fixing points all secured in, we clip the 4 panels in. I think there's a specific order that they need to be done in, which I probably wasn't doing correctly in the first place. And then once they're in, then there's a Velcro overlay to clip them and secure them all in place. But this is a nice velour fabric that's lining the inside and will keep out any drafts and cold air, hopefully. And we will have the heater on downstairs, and obviously some of that heat is going to work its way up into the POPTOP area. So I'm happy that our test fit went to plan, so I'm just going to remove the POPTOP liner and fold it up and store it away, pop the POPTOP down to keep everything dry, and next time we'll be using this will be in a few weeks when we're away in the Alps. So the material for the POPTOP liner is several layers thick. There's an outer breathable and waterproof membrane and some insulation between, and then on the inner edge there's a nice sort of velour flock finish, which is the side that is on the inside of the van. But it's all very nicely put together, all very well stitched, and then with these little catches that are designed to fit to the roof catches. They are a sort of magnet, but I know that some owners have changed them for something that's a little bit more effective at its fastening, but we'll see how we get on with these. So as a kit, we had to actually import it from Germany, as our UK dealer found it difficult to get the part number to source it. With a kit for either the free S600 as per ours or the Grand Canyon S, came in at around about 300 euros shipped from a company in Germany. I'll put the link in the description if you want to contact them directly, or you can contact your local Hymer dealer and just search up the part number on the Hymer website. But the proof is in the pudding, as they say. When we're camping in the Alps in a few weeks' time in the winter, we'll find out how effective it is, but hopefully it's going to do the job. It's certainly, as soon as you put it up, you can feel it's dampening down the noise. It also immediately begins to feel a little bit warmer up here. Hopefully it's going to do a good job for the nights where we'll be camping in the van whilst we're away on our ski trip. So I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please remember to click the button to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for a genuine pop-top liner for your Hymer, just check out the Hymer website or speak to your local dealer. Or I'll put the link in the description below for the company in Germany where we ended up sourcing ours. But thanks very much indeed for watching.